Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. And for this tutorial and for this day, we will release the version 1.1, version 1.2 of the RHC engineering tools beam analysis. And actually, hindi lang analysis, edit ko na lang yan. Kasama na yung designing natin. Pero, yung update ngayon is for singly reinforced beam section lang. Okay? So kapag mag mag-doubly reinforce beam section siya. So, the process will not continue. So, may condition na nilagay ako doon sa program. Okay. For example, we have a input data, 20 MPa, then 0.3 by 0.5. Then, gamitin natin yung uh, service load para sa live load. For example, yung live load natin is 10 lang. Okay, then meron tayong 10 meters na length. So, hindi pa to yung ultimate, yung W natin. Okay? So, 0.4 gamitin ko. Then, ito, 0.25. So, this is the service load para sa live load. Okay? Then, analyze natin.
Please wait, analysis is running. Analysis completed.
Okay? So, kung titingnan natin dito, yung maximum deflection is 46.83 millimeter. Pero yung allowable natin due to live load is 27.78. So, we need to increase the depth of the beam. Then, kung titingnan natin dito sa minimum depth ng pre-stress beam din, kapag sa L is equals to 10 meters, kailangan na natin yung minimum depth is for the SAI code is 625 mm. Okay, para sa simply supported. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin increase to up to the 6.625. So, let's say 0.65 na lang. Okay? Then, kasi nag-increase tayo sa minimum dip. So, check muna kung papasa na sa deflection. Okay?
Please wait, analysis is running. Analysis completed.
So, ang gagandaan dito guys, as mayroon tayong voice message prompt, as then additional yung text na to. Analysis completed. So, you can see, nag-increase o nag-decrease yung deflection natin. So, naging 10.82 na lang due to live load. So, pasado na tayo sa live load. Then, of course, check natin due to sa sustained loads plus the additional live load. So, for example, yung DL plus LL natin is umabot siya sa 25. Then, analyze natin.
Please wait, analysis is running. Analysis completed.
Okay. Then, after we analyze the data or the beam, check natin yung maximum deflection is still 7 mm. Then, yung allowable natin para sa DL plus LL is 41.67. So, tama siya. Pasado siya. So, yung section natin is 0.85 by 0.65. So, pasado na siya. Okay? Then, after we analyzing the beam, pwede na tayo mag-design. So, let's say, ito, para sa apply natin. And by the way, para sa design natin is hindi pa included yung share, yung stirrup. So, bali yung members pa lang to. Sa next update na lang natin i-update yun, include yung shares. Okay? Yan, para yung doble design. Then, para sa design, we need to input the FI value. Then, of course, the CC or the concrete cover. Then, yung diameter ng main bars natin. So, bali, sinet ko na lang 16 up to 32 mm yung diameter. Kasi yun naman talaga sa code. Tapos, yung sa share is from 8 mm to 12 mm lang. Okay? So, we use main is 16 mm, then the share of 10 mm. Okay? Then, after we put in the needed data, so click lang natin yung design. So as you can see, may prompt tayo na yung moment actual over the capacity is 0.87. So, okay siya. Ibig sabihin, singly siya. Singly design ang kailangan. Kapag mag-prompt siya ng more than sa one, so makakat yung process natin sa design. So hindi niya i-design kasi nga yung tool na to is for design beam lang. I mean, for the simply design beam lang. Okay? Then click.
Beam design completed.
So tapos na yung design natin. As you can see, yung ito sa reverse schedule, sa top bars natin, kasi naka-minimum lang tayo stop bars. As you can see, yung beam na, yung moment diagram natin, 0, 0 tayo sa dulo, sa end-to-end. Then, actually, yung direction na to is indication lang. Supposedly, yung moment natin is pababa. Then, magre-resist si tension bar. Ito yung bottom bars natin sa mid. So, ibig sabihin, yung top bars natin, top moment natin is 0. Tapos yung end-to-end natin. So, that's why, naka-minimum tayo rito. Dalawa-dalawa kasi hindi naman tatayo yung stirrups natin if nasa baba lang ng bottom bars ay yung main bars. So, makikita natin ito yung main bars natin sa yung calculated main bars sa mid. So, siyam daw ang kailangan natin. Then, yung ano natin dito, designation, I mean yung figure ng beam is ito may tayo, rebar, location, and quantity are not as per the actual result. So, representation lang siya. Then, this design is for the singly reinforced beam lang section. Okay. So, yun lang. I-try natin yung doble. Let's say, uh, 100 natin. So, without checking the deflection tapos minimum para ipakita lang natin yung doble design.
Please wait, analysis is running. Analysis completed.
Okay. Perfect na. Then, click natin yung design. As you can see, yung moment actual over the capacity is 3.48. So, sobrang laki. So, ibig sabihin, magdodoble yan. Doble reinforced section. The update version 1.2 is for the simply reinforced beam section only. Then, hindi na siya magko-continue. Okay? So, yun. Let's say 5 natin. Then, analyze.
Please wait, analysis is running. Analysis completed.
And aside from the update, guys, nag-fetch ako ng ng process. Yung nag-store tayo sa array na, mas mabilis na siya yung analyzation compare sa dati na version natin. Medyo matagal kasi yan. So ngayon, mabilis na. Then, after we analyzing the beam, pwede na tayo mag-design. Then, design. Okay.
Beam design completed.
So, you can see, 3 bars lang na 16 mm yung kailangan natin sa bot. Then, the rest to pieces na 16 mm. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And sa next update natin, hopefully, malagyan na natin ng stirrups. Then, para sa uh, double design beam. Okay? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video in this channel. Thank you and God bless.